Hey everyone, welcome back. So we did the classic lemon drop, but let's add just a little bit more flavor to this one. This one is going to be our peach lemon drop martini. This is going to be a shaken cocktail, so make sure you have your shaker tins, jigger for accurate measurement. It's going to be going in a larger martini glass. This is, I believe, a 7-ounce martini glass. You are going to need fresh squeezed lemon juice, peach puree, simple syrup, Grenadine, as well as Peach Vodka. For garnishes, I've got a lemon wheel that'll go on the rim, and then I will also be rimming the martini glass in sugar. And again, because we are using fresh squeezed lemon juice, we will be using our Hawthorne and our mesh strainer. Rye whiskey, shush. As always, the ingredients are going to be listed down below. So that way you can build the cocktail right along with me and my dog Rye. We're going to start off with 1 full ounce of our fresh squeezed lemon juice. We need 1 full ounce of our peach puree. Let's hope this doesn't do what my Coco Lopez does, which is explode everywhere. No, that was beautiful. Good job, peach puree. We're going to use 1/2 ounce of our simple syrup. And then 1/2 ounce of Grenadine. Whoa, that came out kind of fast. And then last but not least is going to be 2 full ounces of peach vodka. We're going to put this not sticky side down. And then we are going to fill our shaker tin up with ice, shake for about 15 to 20 seconds until it's ice cold in our hands. This is really not going well for me with this scoop. The thought was there, boo. There we go. All right, so we've got our Hawthorne strainer at the ready. And then I'll wait to pull out the mesh strainer because I have to rim the glass. I was like, what? Don't panic. And then look at the lovely wedge that my husband cut for me.
It's not my fault.
I'm like, this is the saddest looking wedge.
Improper tools.
Improper tools is an accurate statement. Or just straight up user error. But
No, blame the tool.
So I did blame the tool. Ha ha, joke's on you. All right, so I took that so-called wedge around the glass, and then we are going to rim the glass in sugar here. And this is just a straight granulated sugar is all I've got going on here. Nothing fancy. Make sure it's beautiful all the way around. All right, now we're going to pull out that mesh strainer and go right into the glass. Ooh, that's pretty. All right. And to finish off, I've got my, I've got a seed. Get out of there. All right, I'm just going to put my, kind of fell in. Stay where you're supposed to. Cooperate. All right, well, you know, it's not working. You get the gist. All right. And there we have our peach lemon drop martini. Oh!
Technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties are happening all around here today. Oh, that's so good. If you don't like peach, this might not be up your alley, but oh my goodness, the peach is just absolutely perfect in this cocktail. Don't forget, guys, if you love seeing my lovely mistakes, my gorgeous face, the delicious cocktails, and sometimes my husband's strange commentary in the background, Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next pour. Cheers.